We are headquartered in Denmark and have locations throughout the world. We wanted to have a service center that can be fully integrated into our business. We looked at various locations. We looked at, say, 20 locations.
We started in January in 2018 with 17 employees. We went off and started taking over some of the processes. We were looking for professional people who were experts in their fields. We were also looking for people who would take ownership for the projects and the work that they would do. We have been successful so far to find the employees that we wanted. I think they are brilliant professionals and experts in the field. People are very eager to learn.
I'm very impressed with what I see. The journey has been faster than what I would have expected. It's been 1 year and we already have full control of almost all the finance transaction processes.
So we had an expansion of our IT team, or THINKT team, which was not in the plans initially. That came out, in the middle of the year. THINKT team is a peculiar type of a startup type of company in our organization. Energy sector works in old-fashioned ways, and this team is supposed to digitalize the way we work. We actually had a meeting with Kaunas Technology University IT department, and their program actually helped us bring THINKT department here. Kaunas definitely has a lot of potential when we talk about the technology. Every time people come here to Kaunas, I think they are impressed with what they see here.
It's one of the key strategic pillars of NKT. It's to us not only a service center doing transactions, but it's actually a center of excellence for finance. I feel very confident that we have a very good foundation that we can build further on.